Okay, sawa.
Okay, to duplicate, you click on the layer that you want to duplicate. Then edit, chini kuna duplicate.
Hiyo ndio layer that you want to duplicate, edit. Haija nini? Enable.
Iko grayed out. Okay, ukipata iko grayed out, you just use Alt. Like
Alt what?
Alt key. Then you drag that layer up. You hold down on Alt key, you drag the layer up.
You've duplicated.
Yes.
Okay.
So these layers go up and build, meaning that you can just all you need to do is to move aside the layer juu. So click on the top layer, then under its motion properties up, motion ndio hii, you move it on the sideways. Hii hapa hivi ni ya kupeleka on the y axis, while this near x axis. So just move it slightly because zote ni za white, hauni tofauti.
Oh, sioni tofauti.
So you drag this glider down,
then you differentiate color.
Yes, you differentiate a color. Maybe let's say blue.
So
Blue kuna shade. Yeah, so you see kuna kaka white, then there's this blue. You can move it a little bit further.
So which one are we dragging? Oh, the blue one.
The blue one. Even.
Okay.
But now, what you want to achieve is you a different color. Go to white.
But ibaki na easy layer.
Yeah. So what you're going to do, we're just going to increase it, to lower its opacity.
Okay.
I mean transparency.
Which one are we lowering? The one with the flowers?
Yes.
Okay.
So you click on it. The layer. Then under opacity, it should be under opacity. Ndio opacity, you lower that value down.
Okay.
To there. Then you can now change this back to pure white. Here juu yenye to make up blue. Just click on it, then drag down. Click here, then take it back to white. Okay. Then you can scale this up ndio uone changes. Just fit it.
Okay.
So there is it.
Sawa. All right.
Remember to save your work. After here, you now start changing your
text. So the text is brought by IRE, for example.
Yeah.
So our work is to copy the text here and ensure it fits based on there.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So just click on the text tool. You can start typing.
Oh, and hata Gmail to copy write up hivi. Hey.
This is what you're going to hear the whole of this week.
Ati minor KI case?
Yeah.
What's that case about?
EA elections.
Inaitwa minor KI? Why minor KI?
Like ni minor KI ndio mwenye petition. So according to the rulings zenye walifanya wanazitumia kama reference in this case.
Okay. Normal.
So just paste it ziko in white.
So I have to change them to black.
You need to be careful ujue ni rangi gani, like hii rangi sio ya text. Ya text itakuwa chini ya text yenyewe hapa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just scroll down mpaka ufikie, then you can change now the text. Then the font, you can change it from here.
Uliitaje?
Gills.
Gills.
Yeah.
Gills za samaki itakuwa nakumbuka na hiyo.
Gills.
Gills.
Yeah, gills sounds moto. Kama ni bold ni. Then you position it by just dragging. Because if it, you just counter. vitu. Then you have it. Yeah. Then you can now place your logo hapa juu. Let's say we have a logo. Natumia hii. Okay. Import the right way. Then reposition this. Then you layer your image. Then position it, scale it down, and position it.
Okay.
Sasa yes. You maybe utataka kuanimate hizi pia
maneno.
Yeah. Hizo utatafuta tu zile settings zenye ziko zinakuja by default na Premiere Pro. For instance, let's check kama kuna nini? Kuna text behaviors. Let me see. Simple text. You're gonna fly in, dude. I believe there's somewhere in After Effects. I mean in Premiere Pro.
Hizo twirls.
Yeah.
Twirling.
Yeah. So utaziweka penye text yako unataka ianzie.
You just mark where unataka ianzie.
Yes.
Morning. Unakuja huku na ujaoga. Umeweka ndani ya text.
Yes, the text. Then you play it. If you are too much, you can just decrease the amount of that effect by scrolling down mpaka unitafikia. Do it 12. You can decrease the amount by just lowering this value.
Okay.
Sizunguke sana.
Yeah, it's just so effect the text wewe unatafuta.
Yeah, unatafuta tu hapa ndani.
Okay.
However, there's a way venye mimi napendanga kuifanya. Let me just demonstrate that. Like instead ya text kuja ikianimate, you can just set it maybe ikuje in as a whole in this manner. You click on it, the text layer, then you make sure that iko kwa hiyo text under this text effect zake. Now you position it penye unataka ingie. You set the final kwanza, you set penye unataka ianzie, like sasa tunataka ikifika hapo text iko hapa penye iko.
Okay.
So you just like that's a shortcut hasa like ya kufanya kazi kwa haraka. You click on position
under text.
It's under text. Click on position, then you now go back to the beginning and you set this text it okay this side.
Okay.
Yes. So you play this side appears.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alafu logo pia unaweza fanya itoke huko juu sana ikishuka. Yeah, ndio kila kitu ikuwa animated isiku tu zimesimama. Logo pia una click tu kwa logo. Then penye unataka ikuwe, maybe unataka after text imeingia
logo yapi. Okay.
So you set your logo position
kama kasa iko hapa.
Yes. Then unasongeza nyuma kidogo penye text, ikiwa hapo maybe logo ikuwe bado haijafika, so just position logo maybe huko juu.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you play everything, hivi. Yeah.
So to position, you just click on what you want to position.
Yes.
Okay.
For animations, all you need to know is the keyframes.
Keyframes.
Yes.
If you want to animate video, or I mean still,
Yeah.
the keyframes unacheza nazo.
Yes. Alafu
Okay.
always kuinga tu na highlight ya keyframes, right click, then temporal interpolation weke ease in. Inaimake at least ikuwe a little bit smooth.
Okay.
Like hii text sasa unaona inakaa mtu inasimama.
Inasimama.
Sasa we want ikikuja i slow down. You click on the text.
On the text, you go under text.
You go under text. And the keyframes, select them. Right click. Temporal interpolation. Then let's see the difference. Kuna venye kana slow down kidogo. Now when you are done with this, at times you want to create the next slide asa. Assume it's like a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want the next slide. You don't need to repeat the same procedure. What you do, you select everything up, you right click on them, and you nest. Then you can call it sequence 1 ama any name that you want.
Okay.
Okay. So you have this sequence 1 hapa. Utarudi kwa project na jina umeipatia. Utapata that sequence 1 imekuja hapa kama one of the things zenye uko unatumia. So what you do, just duplicate this sequence.
Oh, iko hapo chini.
Yeah.
So ni control D.
Copy paste, you just click on it, edit, copy, then
Na umetumia shortcut gani?
control C, control V. Kama tile word. So you can rename this. You click on it, right click, rename, equal sequence 2. Yeah.
Okay.
Then you now drag this sequence 2 and I later pass. Now this means that hii kiisha, acha to cut off the times. Okay, rudi. Okay, let me just niendeleze tu. Maybe unataka icheze ni somewhere hapa. Ishia hapo, utakata tu hii the normal way. Then you drag this hapa. So ikicheza yote itakuwa hivi. Kisha the second slide inakuja. Now what happens if you want to edit hii kwa na vitu tofauti? You just open this sequence by double clicking on it.
Okay.
Then you see you can now replace vitu zenye ziko hapa.
Okay. Na kile unataka.
Yeah, it's maybe you want this different text. Just copy it and paste it here. You will click kwa text. It can help. Okay, kama ileti, I just move this aside kidogo. Then ikuache na your text juu. Then you change. Is in here.
Okay.
Tisha. Imechange hadi ya kwanza. change hadi ya kwanza. But what you do in such a case, you just undo. There's another way yenye unaweza fanya. Just undo paka irudi venye ilikuwa hivyo, then you open the second sequence. You can now add more text hapa yenye iko kwa sequence 1. Sema hapa saa, all you need to do is to type another text. Let me see if I do anything hapa to
go white.
Yeah.
Originally sile nilikuwa blue.
Okay, let me just type my text here.
Tumeona inakuja in blue color.
Yeah, see kama ina affect first layer. Ina effect zote.
Na tukisongesha kando.
Like kitu niko najaribu ku achieve ni ku create a very separate sequence from the first one.
Using
the initials.
Yeah.
The way inatakana ikuwe. Once you created a different sequence, and delete this sequence once and delete sequence 2, and to make the right way ya copy. Edit, copy,
welcome back.
Match and duplicate
Later.
Yeah. So if I do anything, let me see if it changes anything. Bado inazizima zote.
Nazizima zote. But nime understand kile unasema.
Yeah. You can just use sequence 1 to create the next sequence without repeating the same procedures. I'll just get a way ya kuzi-separate. I think because the effects in Congo, once you give them a different name, they are two different things.
That lesson is home. Okay. That one is home. So for mwalimu ajue kwamba